this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice rapid red metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear. We do get gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, some yellow accents, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpeted interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents with 2 USB-Cs, and of course we do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat as well as a manual passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do get plenty of door space up front, powered windows, powered mirrors, auto stop observer lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10.4 kilometers. We do get this vinyl wrap steering wheel with toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we have my view, trip and feel. We have our gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage, cup holders, got more storage underneath, more storage here with some outlets, your center console, which does get more storage, and a little slidey that you can slide back and forth. We do have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake. We got our climate controls, 12 volt and 2 USB-Cs, storage above, below, and on the dash. And looking at our main screen here, we do get our hazards, traction below, and your backup camera. Looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download it will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We got our settings and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF63486, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.